Alright guys, check this out. I got this Garden Fresh salsa, mango peach. This is at Costco and it was on sale. There's a nutrient panel. Here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. Alright, let's open it up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so here it is. Let's do a quick taste test. It's pretty good. You can see the mango chunks in there, but it is spicy. Oh my goodness, it's got a kick to it. Yeah, not bad. Nice tomatoes. Yeah, definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.